Dx1060i, laser coding for Erdinger's high-speed beer production. Erdinger, the world's largest wheat beer brewery, has been crafting premium beer in Erdinger, Germany since 1886. To support its high-speed automated production, filling up to 165,000 bottles per hour, Erdinger relies on Domino's CO2 laser systems. Coding 3 lines of text onto reflective foil labels at speeds up to 60,000 bottles on 1 line per hour pushes performance to the limit. When switching to the new 100-watt Dx1060i, Erdinger's team was impressed by the excellent code quality. The Dx1060i easily meets today's needs with power to spare for the future. Despite initial concerns about integration, the Dx1060i installation proved to be effortless. Domino connected it to the ERP system without third-party support, ensuring a smooth transition. Remote diagnostics add even more reliability. Domino's help desk once called to fix an issue before it even became a problem. According to the team at Erdinger, Domino handled the entire ERP integration seamlessly. Replacing the printer on the production line was truly plug and play. Domino's premium support makes them a trusted partner. Great beer deserves great technology, and with Domino, Erdinger is ready for the future.